Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian share markets struggled to scrape together some gains on Wednesday, following a flat finish on Wall Street and as concerns over OPEC policy moves in China kept investors on edge amid a drought of major economic data. Chinese share markets and the yuan stabilized after sharp falls on Tuesday, with Shanghai adding 0.1%. In Tokyo, the Nikkei 225 pared early losses to be off 0.2%, which follows a 1.4% gain on Tuesday. The cautious tone in markets was also warranted ahead of testimony from Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen, slated for Thursday, where she is bound to draw questions on the recent spate of soft U.S. economic news and what it might mean for policy. The Australian dollar weakened against the US dollar on Wednesday after Australia's construction work done fell against expectations and concerns remained over an economic slowdown in China, its biggest trading partner. The Australian Bureau of Statistics reported on Wednesday that country's construction work done, which measures the change in the total value of completed construction projects, fell by 1% in the fourth quarter against a forecast of 0.7% rise. In the third quarter, it increased by 2.7%. In Asian trade, US dollar-Japanese yen rose 0.09% to 102.33. Australian dollar-US dollar declined 0.13% to 0.9007, while New Zealand dollar-US dollar rose 0.04% to 0.8332. Today's revised estimate of the UK's GDP for the fourth quarter of 2013 is the main event this morning. Later two reports will provide another look at how winter has affected the housing market in the US via weekly mortgage applications and new home sales. US new home sales 15 GMT. Today's January report on purchases of newly built homes is likely to tell us what was already clear in earlier reports. 2014 hasn't been kind to property so far. The consensus forecast sees new home sales for last month dipping to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 400,000, down from 414,000 in December. That's not horrible, but this release will be yet another installment in a line of disappointing housing figures in recent weeks. The positive spin is that buyers are merely delaying purchases. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.